na.
Are you exhausted of um uh, your dull and damaged hair? Are you sick and tired of combing it and making it straight all day? Are you a bush of different shampoos and electrical devices that promise you to have a straighter, softer, and more manageable hair? Does your current shampoo aid in helping your problems regarding hair fall, split ends, dandruff, and even lighten? Well, you're pressed and now. Let me introduce to you the new Bella Magic Shampoo. It's made from natural ingredients such as coconut, um, jojoba oil, citrus extract, and more that will surely nourish and protect your hair, making it more straight, more soft, and much more alive, free from dandruff, tangle, split ends, and license too. And all day, all night, all free. But wait, there's more. Haven't I mentioned that it's edible? Yeah, you heard me right. You can eat it if you want. It has different flavors like chocolate, strawberry, melon,